Hello creative people. In this video, I did a detailed analysis of the Sakura Koi watercolor. Find out if this watercolor is really worth it for your artistic creations. I tested the quality, pigmentation, and usability to help you make the best decision. Watch and check it out. My name is Norma Corrado, and that's what we're going to do now. Sakura Koi watercolor is a Japanese brand, but its paints are manufactured in China. The composition is thermoplastic resin and paint in tablets. This watercolor can have several different presentations. It has 12, 24, 36, 48 up to 96 colors so far. They come with a description of the color and permanence in the box. The one I'm going to show you today has 12 colors and comes in tablets. It comes in a very beautiful and compact acrylic box. The palette is very light, easy to carry when traveling. The packaging comes with an area on the lid to mix the colors. It also comes with a cleaning foam and a tank-style brush. The brush is made of synthetic hair and has a very fine tip. The paints come in very dry tablets. I wrote the 12 colors that come in this presentation on the screen. For the paint to come out easily from the palette, they have to be well hydrated. This watercolor has good paint drag. When wet, the paints seem very vibrant, but after drying they become opaque, as is usual with oriental paint. The colors are beautiful and well pigmented and have not shown any stains so far. The texture of this watercolor is rough to the touch. Let's test it in practice. To do this, I'm going to paint two cacti. The line for this drawing is available for free download on my blog. The link is in the video description. The paint drags well on the paper, but it doesn't spread well. The paints mix well, but not satisfactorily. Accepted working in several layers. The color light red looks like an English red with umber sienna. Once applied to the paper, it is easy to remove for correction. I found the Sakura Koi watercolor to be very pigmented and the colors beautiful. The big problem with this watercolor is that it does not expand at all and stains a little. And here is the finished art. In my opinion, I did not like the Sakura Koi watercolor very much. Maybe I do not know how to use this oriental watercolor properly. The colors are beautiful, but the lack of expansion of the paint bothered me a lot. Tell me in the comments, have you used this watercolor? What did you think? If you like this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any new content. Enjoy, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and buy my book on Amazon. Link in the description. See you next time. Thank you for watching the video until the end.